we're headed to LAX. We're on the Green Line Metro from Norwalk Station, going to the train, to a bus, to the international terminal. We've got 19 hours of flying ahead, and we'll end up in Manila a day and a half from now. Finally made it to Manila, 32 hours after leaving my dad's house, and now we're waiting for our Grab car, which is like Uber, and it's only $4 to our hotel. We're staying at the Hotel H2O, which is right on the water with amazing ocean views from our rooms. We just got to Manila and hit the first Jollibee we could find. So I got a one-piece chicken, this little packet of rice, some gravy, and a little mini sundae and a soda for $2.
Alright everybody, so check this out. These are strawberry flavored French fries. You heard it here. Tastes like strawberry French fries.
Right outside our hotel there's a little market area, and you can even get a massage right out in the open. There's lots of interesting taxis here. There's a neon taxi, the jeepney, and these little trikes. Here in Manila, Jollibee even delivers. This mall is huge. The food court resembles a night market like in Thailand. I'm in the Robinson Place Mall. I found this Coco Curry House. I had this in Tokyo. Got some Tim Ho Wan Chashu Bao, which is baked buns with barbecue pork. I just had this in Bangkok, and it's Michelin rated in Hong Kong, but not here.
Oh, that is pretty good. Wow, the bread is amazing.
This Air Asia plane has no legroom, so Shawn's doing what he can to get by.